Trade of the day within the hotel sector, Mr. Gilmour, is?
City Lodge.
City Lodge. Now, why am I not surprised? Because you both gave such a astoundingly good report on City Lodge, on Hans Enderle, on Clifford Ross. There's no faulting this story then. Gentlemen?
I think what you're buying with City Lodge is, and the only way I can describe it these days, is a mini blue chip. You look at its track record going back to when it was listed many years ago. It's had a couple of hiccups, literally, but I think those are caused by extraneous factors. A few years ago with the World Cup, prior to that back in the year 2000, or there just before that, with the entrance of a lot of the new foreign-owned operations. But you know, from its own perspective, the way it runs its company, it's a very simple model. No nonsense, no frills, no nothing. So I just love this thing.
120 Rand. You're really going to convince people to buy this at 120 Rand?
Well,
all-time high. Let me just stress that again.
We've been owning the stock for a long time, waiting for some kind of unlock, or waiting because.
But surely you've seen the
we have.
Now.
But you know, I mean, there were long-suffering shareholders all the way through that period, all the way to only the middle of last year. So I think maybe against that backdrop, I think management are at the opposite end of the spectrum in terms of their adverts, their corporate kind of appearance, because their adverts are way out there and fantastic, but management are very conservative, and I would say for a smallish team, they're very good.